Hi everyone, today I'm gonna showing you this 3D stitch. It's a simple shell stitch, but with a little change it looks so different, and I'm sure I'm gonna make a blanket with this stitch, but I want to show you with a different video. So you can use this stitch anywhere you want. I think you can make beautiful bags with this, with macrame yarns or cotton yarns. This will look beautiful on clothes or in other bags. For this one I used a category 4 yarn and 5mm hook. I'm gonna use the same yarn and hook now. You can use any yarn and yarn's recommended hook. I hope you like this stitch too. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. Start with a slip knot. And for this stitch you will need multiples of 5 plus 2 only one time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's enough for now, and I'm adding 2 more stitch. Now skip 1, 2, 3, 4, and into this 5th stitch I'm gonna make a double crochet. How to make it? Yarn over, insert here, grab the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, and I will put one more here, chain 2, into same stitch put 2 more double crochets, 1, 2, yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3, 4 into this 5th chain, put a double crochet and one more, chain 2, put 2 more double crochets, 1, 2, skip 1, 2, 3, 4 into the 5th, 1, 2, chain 2, 1, 2. Keep repeating this. In the end, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make one more. There's 2 stitches left. Into this last one, make a double crochet. That's the end of the first row. Chain 3, turn. Starting from here, we will always repeat the same thing. Now we are gonna make some kind of treble into here, this space from previous row here. Insert here from down to top, grab the yarn, pull through. I have 3 loops on the hook. I only yarn over once. Grab the yarn, pull through only 1 loop, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. Now into this 2 chain space, make 2 double crochets, chain 2, two more double crochets, yarn over once. We are gonna make a treble again, around here again. This time we are gonna insert from the top to down. Grab the yarn, 1, 2, 3 steps. Now we are gonna repeat this. Yarn over, insert from here, 1, 2, 3, 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets, yarn over, 1, 2, 3. One, two chains, 1, 2, if you want you can yarn over twice and make a triple with this way. It's not too important. I'm making the last one. Sorry. And into this space or into this last chain, put a double crochet. Chain 3, turn. And we will repeat this. Yarn over. Starting from here, we are going to use these 2 chain spaces. Insert here. Oops. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets, make a triple. Around the next one, repeat. And repeat this as long as you want. I'm gonna finish this and show the end of the row again. I made the last one, and in this chain space I'm gonna put a double crochet, chain 3, turn, and keep repeating. I think I use 4.5mm for this one because it looks tighter than this. But I like this one too. You can choose any looks you like. And I hope you like my tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. You can reach me there. And it's also my Pinterest, website, Ravelry, Etsy, blah blah. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.